The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fulton County and west central Illinois, Peoria County and central Illinois, northwestern Tazewell County and central Illinois, northwestern Woodford County and central Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour.
It's coming right for us, guys.
Or 9 miles northeast of Canton.
Won't be here right away, but it's coming.
45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pekin, Peoria, Elmwood, Anna City, Martinville, Marquette Heights, Bellevue, Brimfield, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Laura, Morden, East Peoria, Dunlap, Germantown Hills, Spring Bay, Rome, Smithville, North Pekin, and Peoria International Airport. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 69 and 101. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 30 and 31. This includes Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.